Another pawn shop pickup. Just trying to fill in some pieces in my sets. Brought up a couple items to the register. 17 millimeter socket. The clerk said $1, so I said, let me go look at some more tools. And there's a 10 millimeter husky wrench, and I brought him up. He said $5, so I went ahead and just grabbed a bunch of these SK 7/16, 12 point and 6 point combo wrenches, 6 point 7/16 Craftsman, as well as 11/32 Craftsman. This one's pretty beat up. It's a combo wrench, 12 millimeter and 14 millimeter. I know I could use this piece in like a emergency roadside toolkit. So when I picked it up, gonna clean it up. Things you'll need: oil, screwdriver, safety glasses, wire brush, pick, and a toothbrush, just to get all that rust off. And it turned up decent. It needed some oil, of course, and got some of the rust off. This one as well had some rust. 13/16 and 11/16 Craftsman combo wrench. I used to pass up on a lot of this SAE standard inch sizes, but now that the USA tools are getting hard to find, I'm just making sure I fill in all my sets before I decide to pass up on those type of things. Picked up ES tools, 9/16 and 3/4. I might have bit off more than I can chew. I tried cleaning them as best as I can. The 9/16 are just too rusty, too pitted. But the 3/4 inch, like, you could use that as well as for 19 millimeter. So this is the after picture. That some of them cleaned up pretty nice. Let me know what you think.